Have you ever thought about the significance of stretching? It's not only for athletes or people with natural flexibility. Everyone's daily routine should include stretching, as it is essential to keeping a healthy lifestyle. Sure, it can be tempting to skip this step, especially when we're short on time or eager to get on with our workout. But here's the thing, stretching is about so much more than just preparing for an exercise session. It's about keeping our bodies flexible, strong, and healthy. Throughout this video, we'll explore the benefits of regular stretching in detail, from improving your range of motion to preventing injuries. We'll delve into how, when done correctly, stretching can enhance your performance in sports, your day-to-day activities, and even your overall well-being. So, are you ready to understand why you should never skip your stretching routine? First, let's delve into how stretching can improve your flexibility, supported by solid scientific evidence. The body, if we were to liken it to a machine, performs at its peak when all its parts are in sync. And this is where the critical role of stretching comes into play. It's similar to oiling the gears of your body machine. According to a study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology, when you stretch regularly, the muscles gradually elongate, resulting in increased flexibility. The outcome? You can bend, twist, and move more comfortably than before. But why is flexibility so crucial, you may wonder? A study in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that an increase in flexibility can significantly enhance performance in physical activities. Whether you're a professional athlete or a casual park jogger, flexibility can be a game changer. It facilitates longer reach, faster running, and higher jumping. It empowers you to perform at your best. And who wouldn't want that? However, flexibility isn't about athletic prowess. According to a study in the Journal of Physical Therapy Science, it also influences your day-to-day comfort. With increased flexibility, you can maintain a better posture, helping to keep nagging backaches at bay. Furthermore, many of us often complain about muscle stiffness. A study in the American Journal of Physical Medicine and AMP Rehabilitation found that regular stretching can help mitigate that stiffness, enabling you to be more comfortable and agile in your daily life. In a nutshell, stretching, backed by science, is a powerful tool that elevates your flexibility, enhances your performance, improves your posture, and alleviates muscle stiffness. Clearly, as supported by research, if you're looking to boost your flexibility, stretching should be your go-to. But that's not all. Stretching also plays a critical role in preventing injuries. You see, when you stretch before engaging in any physical activity, you're essentially preparing your muscles for the task ahead. It's like sending out an invitation to a party. Your muscles are the guests, and the party is your workout. You wouldn't want your guests to show up unprepared, would you? The same goes for your muscles. By stretching, you increase blood flow to your muscles. This is crucial because the increased blood flow helps the muscles work more efficiently during your workout. But that's not the end of the party. After the workout, when your muscles are tired and need to recover, that increased blood flow keeps the recovery process going smoothly. Now, let's talk about muscle imbalances. These occur when one set of muscles is stronger or more flexible than its opposing set. This can lead to poor posture, joint stress, and yes, you guessed it, injuries. And this is where stretching comes in again. Regular stretching ensures that all your muscles get the attention they need, reducing the risk of imbalances and, subsequently, injuries. So, it's not just about being able to touch your toes or do the splits. Stretching is a critical component of a well-rounded fitness routine, and its role in injury prevention is just as important as its role in improving flexibility. So, if you want to stay injury-free, make sure to include stretching in your fitness routine. To sum up, stretching is an essential part of maintaining a healthy and active lifestyle. We've journeyed through the crucial role it plays in our day-to-day lives, from the general importance of stretching to its significant influence on our flexibility. This simple yet effective practice is not one to overlook. We've also delved into the preventative power of stretching. A regular stretching routine can be your invisible shield, helping you avoid those pesky injuries that can sideline even the most seasoned athletes. So, let's make a pact, shall we? Let's pledge to incorporate stretching into our daily routines. It needn't be an hour-long session. Even a few minutes can make a world of difference. Remember, a few minutes of stretching each day can go a long way in keeping you flexible, fit, and injury-free. So why not give it a try? Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.